Hi, my name is Rasul Osman Beyli, and today I will show you how to use Gemini CLI to write the code and to use Droid Run agent to automatically test the produced code. We will use Gemini to write the Android application code. So we have already the Hello World application, Hello World Android application, like it has just one text view, and its main activity Kotlin file is the source code of this application. So it has just one composable, hello, and yeah, that's all, hello Android. And it looks like this. And let's use Gemini CLI. It will use Gemini 3 model, large language model from the Google. It's the latest and strongest Google model. And we already configured the Droid Run MCP server for it, and we can check it. So it has just 4 tools. Execute task is the MCP tool to execute any user's task. For example, you can ask it to open LinkedIn and write the post about something, or open WhatsApp, write your friend that you will be a little bit late, or for example it can do some complex tasks also. For example, you can say find some product in Amazon and compare it with a similar product on other marketplace, and it will do it. It's the best Android AI agent right now. So okay, let's start. We are right now in the Android project folder. Let's say that write the sign in and sign up screens, and also use Droid Run to validate the code. Analyze the trajectory produced by Droid Run. So in general, you can enable trajectories in the Droid Run, so it will save the screenshots and the steps of the agent in the JSON file or other locations. Okay, let's start. So we gave the task to Gemini 3 model. It found the build Gradle file, Kotlin file, and it already found the folder with the source code files. Okay, it wants to create a directory in UI folder called screens. Okay, let's do it. Looks nice. And right now it created the code for sign-in screen. Yes, let's allow it and let's check it. And in general, it's a simple code, like it has one composable with the 2 callbacks, email and password fields, column, vertical column, and it has text fields and text input fields. Again, one more text input field, I think it's for password, and sign in button, and the sign up button if you already have an account. So it also created the sign up screen. Let's allow it and check it. It's mostly the same, just instead of 2 fields there are 3 fields. Confirm password field also is here. For example, as we see here, that text field, text input, and one more text input, and button for the sign up and button for the sign in. It created the navigation. Let's do it. it uses Gradle wrapper to create the debug application Android package. And yeah, let's do it. Right now, Gradle wrapper produced the APK in the debug folder, and right now it wants to use MCP tool Droid Run execute task MCP tool to test the application. Yeah, let's do it. It found the APK correctly and opened the application. So right now it sees, and we see that there's a sign in. It changed the screens, by the way, to the sign up, so navigation works. And it wrote the email and password, and will write right now confirm password. It wrote it. Then it will click the button. Yeah, it returned to sign in screen. Everything works okay right now. It checks the email fields, offline fields, and password field. Everything works okay, and we will do after that we will analyze the trajectories. So Droid Run produced this response: status was successful, session ID, and the last Droid Run output, it says that successful signed out and sign in. So, and right now it wants to use MCP tool get trajectory. Let's do it. So we have all the steps here with the description of the screens for the LLM. Yeah, why we need it if we already have the Droid Run result? Because Droid Run is the separate agent and Gemini is another one. So Droid Run produced success, but we don't know that the manager of these agents is Gemini. We need to Gemini to check the trajectory if it was really successful, because Droid Run can say like task execution was successful, but Gemini will validate the code and the task execution steps. That's why we need another LLM as a judge. LLM as a judge is a Gemini right now, and it checked it, and it says that I have successfully implemented the sign in and sign up screens using Jetpack Compose and verified the implementation using Droid Run. So everything works, and here in the trajectory you can see that it runs some commands, and for example it says that I have entered the email, and it's the thoughts of the model. It has the command type password and etc. etc. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.